In this video, we'll be going over the improved DXF import functionality that has been added to myCNC as of late 2023. This functionality allows for more granular control when importing DXF files and essentially adds on the CAM software functionality into myCNC. It is available through the DXF2-import action, which I have already assigned to this Import DXF button right here. And when we press it, we'll see the new window pop up. It consists of the Project, Import, and Shapes buttons, as well as the CAD and CAM buttons, which we can switch between. Here, we're more interested with the CAM button. The CAD functionality will be described in a different video. We also have these buttons to edit the files and shapes that we will be importing into the CAM window, and then we have two buttons to confirm or close this window. So let's say we'd like to add some kind of a file from our PC. Here I have a folder called Lettering and Signs, and within it I can add some DXF file. So let's say I have this Retail 3 file. We can add it into the window by clicking Add to Nest. And let's say we would also like to add this closed file right next to it. Next, let's add a shape. Let's say we will add this one right here, and maybe this shape right here. Now that we've added some of these shapes, we can also move them around. Let's say these are a little close together, so we select this shape right here, and we can move it away, similar to this one right here. And let's maybe move the closed sign a little higher. We can also move these by using the buttons, let's say by moving them a specific distance. We can rotate them by a specific angle, or scale them, let's say 1.5 times. Of course, we can also mirror them vertically, horizontally, we can copy these files, etc. Once we're done arranging these files, we can also edit our leads. This can be done per individual lead, and of course this is useful for things like plasma cutting, or we can edit the leads from the settings menu, which will be changed for the entirety of the file. So let's say we will want to increase the size of all leads. We can bring that up here. We can change the lead type to only have the lead ins, or lead ins and lead outs. We can change our curve, again very useful for things like plasma cutting. Change the way the curve is calculated, be it external or internal, and then change the part distance. Of course, the leads can also be edited individually, and the leads can also be edited to feature different lead types, such as lead center. Once we're done with the leads, we can also edit the cutting sequence. So here we can see our cutting sequence from 1 all the way to 27, and this will be the order in which our parts are cut. So let's say we'd like to go to number 2, and instead of this section of the letter E, we'd like to go here. Now it goes 1, 2, 3, etc. We can select a specific point and then assign it to a specific shape. So let's say I'd like to edit this a little bit. This is now an edited cut sequence. Once we are done editing the leads, the cut sequence, the curve, etc., whatever it may be, we can also save the project, which we can then load if need be. And if we're satisfied with this project, we can import it into myCNC by clicking the Confirm button. From here on, it can simply be cut like any other project. Thank you for watching.